Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a tortilla in Fish It game of Roblox to complete the fishing rod ingredients quest. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see, one of the mission or the quest for this fishing rod ingredients is handing over a tortilla, and I'm going to show you where you can get the tortilla. Basically, you can get all the ingredients by fishing, but you need to fish in the classic cave. So first of all, go to the classic island, and then you're going to find this cave. It's near the waterfall. Okay, and you're going to enter this classic cave. Then just do fishing until you get the tortilla. Okay, you can go to this fishing spot and start fishing. I've already catched the tortilla. It's not difficult to catch, guys. It's easy. But the difficult one is the taco fish. It's a mythical or mythic fish, so it's kind of difficult to catch. Okay, this is the tortilla. I catched this tortilla from this classic cave. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the tortilla to complete the fishing rod ingredients quest in Fish It Game Opera Box new classic event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!